Christmas Eve, everyone. I'm Ross, and this is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, and welcome to the very special Christmas edition of Thirsty Thursday.
Yeah.
What are we making, Jamie?
Today we're gonna make some mulled wine. If you got a little extra time on your hands, why not make your house smell nice?
It'll smell just like the Western Development Museum.
So we're gonna do, for 2 people, so we're gonna do 3 ounces of red wine.
That's Nacho saying hello. While Jamie's pouring that in, I'm going to put in 3 cloves. 3 cloves?
Yeah.
3 cloves of cloves. There we go.
I'm gonna put 3 ounces of Tawny Port.
And we're going to put in just a dash of cinnamon. You could use a cinnamon stick too, but I don't have one. That's good.
I'm gonna put 1 ounce of Grand Marnier.
Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg in there as well. Obviously, if you want it spicier, you can put a little more cinnamon, a little more clove, a little more nutmeg. And what else we got? Oh, we've got some lemon juice that needs to go in here as well. That's about 1 ounce of lemon juice.
And then we have
A wedge.
a wedge of orange that I'm gonna give it a squeeze and just let that sit in there.
Okay, and it asks for 3 teaspoons of honey, but I think we're only going to go with maybe 1.5. It'll be sweet enough, I think. That's probably good.
Apple juice.
Some apple juice. Go ahead and put some apple juice. About a cup?
Yeah, we're probably gonna add a cup. We just want to have enough volume to help fill the cups up.
And then once we get this all in here, we're going to put it on the stove and we're going to just let it steep. And so one of the things you have to keep in mind is with mulled wine, if you want it to remain wine, you can't let it boil because it'll cook off the alcohol out of the port and the wine and out of the Grand Marnier. So you just want to bring it up to heat and don't let it bubble. Just get it nice and warm. And you can let it go for at least 30 minutes, up to 3 hours, and sometimes you can just have it going in your house all afternoon if you like. So we're going to let it go and we're going to come back and show you what it looks like when it's done here. Okay, we've let it steep for about half an hour or something like that.
Yeah.
Smells great in here. Cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg.
Woo! Spilling everywhere.
Okay,
Let's give it a try.
mulled wine.
Mulled wine.
Cheers, everyone.
Woo, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Maybe add a little water to your mixture.
I would let it steep longer too.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have as much of the cinnamon and the spices. I think I would have added more clove too.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, well, it tastes kind of more like apple juice and wine.
You can even add a
Which is good.
cinnamon stick directly
Yeah.
to your cup. A little bit more garnish, but try it out. Play around with it.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas. Cheers.